my name is Ayush Rathod. I pursuing my degree from Engineering College Jhalawad. I create a presentation on the complete Android app development, which is a brief introduction to all the topics which is covered in my training from Udemy platform in the guidance of my industrial training professor, Mr. Shailendra Soni sir. So let's start with Java. Basic Java programming, abstractions, inner class interference, advanced topics we will touch. Java IO, Java Thread, Java Socket, Android basics, credit goes to Google. Course objectives. Course objectives are mobile application development, intro to Android platform, platform architecture, application building blocks, development tools, textbook, Hello Android. Few reasons to go mobile application development, smartphones, internet access anywhere, social networking, millions of mobile users, open standards. Introduction to Android, open software platform for a mobile development, a complete stack, OS middleware applications, and open headset Alliance OS a project powered by Linux programming operating system, fast application development in Java, open source under the Apache 2 license. Applications are home, contacts, phone, browser, etc. Application framework are activity manager, window manager, content providers, view system, package manager, telephony manager, resource manager, location manager, notification manager. Libraries are Surface Manager, Media Framework, SQLite, OpenGL, ES, FreeType, WebKit, SGL, SSL, lib, Android Runtime are code libraries, Dalvik Virtual Machine, Linux kernel are display driver, camera driver, flash memory, keypad driver, Wi-Fi driver, audio driver, binder IPC driver, power management, Linux kernel. Linux kernel are work as a device drivers, memory management, process manager, networking, libraries, C, C++ libraries, interface through Java, Surface Manager, handling UI windows, 2D and 3D graphics, media, codecs, SQLite, browser engines. Now move with Android runtimes. Android runtimes have two types: Dalvik VM, like DEX files, compact and efficient, then class files, limited memory and battery power. Then second one is called libraries, Java 5 STD edition, collection, IO, etc. Application framework are API interference, activity manager manages application lifecycle. Applications built in and user apps can replace built-in apps. Course objective are mobile application development, intro to Android platform, platform architecture, application building blocks, development tools, textbook, Hello Android. Application building blocks, activity, intent receivers, service, content providers. Activities typically correspond to one UI screen, but they can be faceless, be in a floating window, return a value. Intent receivers are components that respond to broadcast intents and wait to respond to external notification or alarms, and apps can invent and broadcast their own intents. Think of intents as a verb and a object, a description of what you want done. Example: weave, call, play, etc. System matches intent with activity that can best provide the service. Activity and intent receivers describes what event they can service. Intents are home, contacts, Gmail, chat, blogger. System picks best components for that action. Silent components make request for a specific action. New components can use exciting functionality. Services are faceless components that run in the background. Example, music player, network download, etc. Content providers are enables sharing of data across applications. Example, address book for gallery, and provides uniform APIs for querying, delete, update and insert. Content is represented by URI and URI type. Course objectives are mobile application development, intro to Android platform architecture, application building blocks, development tools, textbook, Hello Android. Development tools are Esclip, Android SDK 2.0, higher developer.android.com. The Illuminator, the Illuminator QEMU based ARM emulator runs the same image as the device. Are the limitations: no camera support. Devices: Hello World, a great starting point. It is a link, then generating UIs, views, building blocks. Example, textbook, text view, edit text, button placed into layouts. Example, linear layout, table layout, absolute layout. Application lifecycle run in their own process. VM, PID process are started and stopped as need to run an application components. Process may be killed to reclaim resource. These are the chart. Firstly, activity start, on create, then on start, then on resume, then activity is running. The another activity comes in front of the activity. On pause, these are the three conditions. The first is the other application need memory, then the process is killed, then user navigates back to the activity, then going to the on create. Second is the activity comes to the foreground, then on resume. Third is the activity is no longer visible, then on stop. There are also three conditions. First is the other application need memory, process the skill, then user navigates back to the activity. Second one is the activity comes to the foreground, then on restart. Third is on destroy, the activity shut down. Life cycle system process are home, contacts, Gmail, home, mail, map, browser, etc. Location manager. Just take an example. My two friends, Mike and Tony. Mike 48.5119395 km away, and Tony 20.396315 km away. Then take GPS fix and start tracking, showing the map. XMPP services allows an app to send device to device messages to other Android users. Data messages are intents with name value pairs. Works with any Gmail account. Can also build their service to deliver services devices messages. Notification manager. Swipe on the phone on upper side and see the notifications. Notification manager, how to work, how background app interact with users, consistent notification presentation. Views are hello, interact layout, then row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, then hello form stuff, then check it out, red, then blue. Now there are the hello grid view. Views are hello relative layout, type any something like American Samoa and etc. Then go these are the location manager. End of the lecture. First task, install the SDK and Sclip for instruction detail in the assignment. Then we will perform in class as well.